Sometimes they're going to ask you to name something like FeO over here. And you're going to notice that Fe is a transition metal. So it needs a Roman numeral. Oxygen is from group 16, so it has a -2 charge. So you know that one directly off. It's 2 short electrons away from being a noble gas because it has 6 valence electrons and it wants 2 more to get 8 valence electrons to meet that octet rule. So when we're looking at FeO, the rule is that you're supposed to do reverse crisscross. But when I reverse crisscross these guys, it's not making sense because here that's saying that iron is a +1 and oxygen is a -1. +1 -1 equals 0. So in theory it makes sense, except for the fact that oxygen is not a -1. So that means this information is not valid. Whenever you run into that, it means it's a basic ship. Use the anion to help. If oxygen is a -2, what would go here to balance? X minus 2 equals 0. That X has to be a +2. So it's iron 2 oxide. Okay. If you did this reverse crisscross, you could also then said -1 times 2 equals -1. And what you do to one side, you do to the other. +1 times 2 is +2. So those are your 2 options.